When you hear mac and cheese, you probably think American mac and cheese. But many countries have their own variations on recipes, such as this Scandinavian mac and cheese I'm going to do today. It has some ingredients you might not expect, but I'm sure it will be pretty tasty nonetheless. Let's begin. The basis of every mac and cheese is of course pasta. The recipe I'm using called for penne pasta, but you gotta use macaroni for your macaroni and cheese, in my opinion. In this recipe, I'll be using macaroni for one person. If you're following this recipe for more than one person, you can scale up the ingredients when needed. Boil pasta until it is ready. While the pasta is boiling, get yourself a fennel. A fennel is a vegetable I personally don't use a lot. It tastes like anise, and it will give a very interesting taste to the mac and cheese we're making today. Let's get rid of this and cut the fennel into small pieces. I am not sure if this core part is edible. It looks very hard, so I'll leave it out. Now, if you have fresh dill, now would be a good time to also cut that. However, I could not find fresh dill, so I'm using dried dill for this recipe. When your pasta is almost done, add the fennel to it and cook for another minute. For the sauce, add about 50 grams or 1/4 cup of butter to a pan and slowly melt it. When the butter has molten, add about 50 grams or 4 tablespoons of flour to the mix. While stirring, add in about 2 cups of milk with a little bit of pepper and salt. And what you now have is called a bechamel sauce. Add everything to an oven dish, together with the sauce, dill, fresh dill if you can find it, or dried if you can't, a good amount of cheese, and smoked salmon. Mix everything together, cover it with more cheese, place in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 more minutes. Finish your mac with some extra dill and get ready to eat. It looks and smells pretty amazing, and I think I can eat twice of this because what I have here is half of what I made. Ooh, it's creamy. The anise is less strong than I expected, which is good because I wasn't too sure if it would be too much. Gives an interesting taste to the whole thing. Pretty good. The warm salmon, smoked salmon, is also very nice. I think this is a success. A variant on the classic mac and cheese. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.